To Sandip Agarwal, Fund Manager of Sowilo Investment Managers. Sandip, what is your first take coming in on the Tech Mahindra numbers? Clear beat on the EBIT front?
No, so, I think the numbers for, even if you see TCS and now Tech Mahindra, barring HCL Tech, I think numbers are coming decent versus expectation, and there are multiple levers. As you know, rupee is one of the big lever, and the expectation on the sector was very low. So from that perspective, I think decent numbers, and I believe that there is too much of negativity right now on the sector, and I don't think IT services will get that much impacted because of AI. It is a 3-4% deflationary impact only annually for 4-5 years, and against that, if you grow at 10% also, you will see 5-6% dollar growth and rupee benefit. So it is a 13-14% EPS story, and from that perspective, all these stocks are quite reasonably priced, or I would say now little undervalued.
Okay, when it comes to deal wins, quite a strong commentary coming in from the management. The exit rate is also quite encouraging. Do you expect similar momentum to carry on even going forward?
No, so I think as they mentioned that FY26 was the year of stabilization, and remember that barring ER&D, there is no problem I think in any of the other verticals. So whichever company has a ER&D exposure, those are the places where we need to be careful. Otherwise, I think the order book and everything for most of the players will be good. If you see TCS also, the order book was quite strong at $12 billion. Now, and these are, remember that just one and a half months back, people were saying that IT services will decline by 20-30%. I think against that, if you are growing at 5% also annually, I think it is a big positive swing. That is the way we look at it.
Few quarters back, Tech Mahindra was considered as a dark horse and a turnaround play. Do you still see that as a play coming in for Tech Mahindra, or that has already played out?
So, commenting on specific story is very tough, but let me put it this way, that, large part of positives are definitely have played out, and they have done a good work. Now, incrementally, it will also be at par with other stocks in terms of, what kind of upside you get. So, basically, I think that re-rating is over. Now, it will be fundamental driven.
Okay, thank you, Sandip. Thank you for joining us and giving us your perspective on Tech Mahindra. Well, with that, it's a wrap on this edition of Small Cap Buzz.